Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show libraries on navigation pane in File Explorer on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To show libraries on navigation pane in File Explorer, open File Explorer and look in navigation pane. Libraries are not showing here. Now I'm going to show you how to enable showing libraries on navigation pane in File Explorer. Click on three dot icon to see more, then click on options. In folder options, click on view tab and then scroll down. Under navigation pane you will find an option show libraries, and now it's not selected. Click on show libraries and then click on apply. Now click OK, and now in navigation pane you will find libraries. Look, the libraries option is showing now in navigation pane on File Explorer in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.